Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get daily tokens. What's the best advice to get daily tokens on Blooket. So perhaps one of the most easy way to do it is to go ahead and play some games, and in here you just basically add in your Blooket game ID, and you could basically load games and traverse through levels like these ones. Yeah, here are the games right here, and you could basically play each and every one of these games, or student quizzes basically. So once you play one of these games, and that's perhaps one of the best advice that you could basically get. Yeah, that's just basically it. You have to be consistent and traverse through each of the levels that the game has to offer, and you'll be on your way to reach your desired amount of the actual tokens also in and of itself. Yeah, that's just basically it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys have a nice day.